Thank you for grabbing the breakfast recipe, How to Lose Belly Fat and Start Up Your Metabolism. My name is Sheri Mahnke. I am 54 years old and I lost 23 pounds of menopause weight over a year and a half ago, and I've kept it off. And I'm here to share with you how I did it so you can do the same. So are you struggling with no energy? You're tired. Maybe your clothes are getting tighter and you're having to buy new ones. Feeling unmotivated. You're not even sure what to eat anymore to maintain a healthier body. Do you just think, who cares what I eat and drink anymore? Nothing is working for me, no matter what I do. Do you know that being overweight causes a plethora of health problems? It affects your heart, your blood pressure, cholesterol, your skin, liver, your self-confidence, and your energy. So let's get off that hamster wheel and finally get back to a healthier, fitter, best version of yourself. Lose the weight once and for all and manage those menopause symptoms. You can feel fantastic over 40. You can secure a spot in Sheri's Skinny Down program with the link below. And if you have some questions, you can hop on a free 15-minute call with me to get your questions answered. Everybody who follows my program loses weight, and it works. Just imagine how great you can feel. You're way too young to not feel fantastic. So I am looking forward to seeing you on the inside.